Hello my dear friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to decorate this beautiful hexagon scrapbook with the handmade paper flower and how to decorate the scrapbook from inside using some pattern papers and some handmade greeting cards. So this is the part 3 and the last part of my scrapbook series. So I'm just showing you a quick glimpse of my complete scrapbook. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need embossing pad, groove golf tool, ball tool, paintbrush, pink color flower pearls, watercolors, liquid glue, scissor, water spray, and I'm using some dyes from different brands to decorate my scrapbook, but it is not compulsory, it's just for the decoration. First I am taking back my base scrapbook and decorating it completely from inside and outside using some pattern papers. So according to the base paper, I have cut my pattern paper in hexagon shape. Every time I took 0.2 centimeter small radius for the pattern paper hexagons. I have given all the links in description box if you want to learn part 1 and part 2, where I have shown you how to create the base scrapbook and how to create the greeting cards. Like this. Now in the same way I am decorating the side of my outer cover. And also this closing door using these pattern paper triangles. I'm also adding thin strip in this hinge part. In the same way I have added the paper strip on all hinges. Now to create insert tags, I am taking these two sheets, the golden one and the pattern paper one, and this measures 6.4 by 14 centimeters. 6.4 means 2.5 inches. Now I'm taking my tag making punch and inserting this strip into this and just punching it. So you will get the beautiful tag. All the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. Similar way I am punching my pattern paper strip. Now I'm going to connect both these tags with each other. So this is done. In the same way I have created 3 more. So we will be needed total 4 tags for 4 pockets. Now taking back my scrapbook, and inside each side pocket I will insert these tags. Now I am taking all my 5 greeting cards which I have shown in part 2, and I am going to stick this with my scrapbook pages. Like this. So the base scrapbook is ready. Now it's time to decorate it. So I have pre-cut some 8 petals flowers. So we will be needed total 2 large and 2 medium flowers to make a single flower, and I'm just sprinkling little water to make these flower little moist and adding yellow and vermilion red color to color my flowers. This time I'm not using archival inks. You can use any kind of colors to create your handmade paper flowers. It's not compulsory to use any particular branded inks. Yes, but the effect of each kind of inks or colors are different from each other. So it's your choice what kind of effect you want. Allow the flower to dry a little bit. I have die cut out some foliage designs. So I'm coloring these as well using green and yellow red colors. Allow it to dry. Now my flowers are completely dried, so from back side I am shaping it using small size groove golf tool. Groove Golf tool work like a magic, and you must have this tool because if you want to create natural flowers, there is no other option other than Groove Golf tool. Yes, there are many things like ball tool or tweezers, but the effect your Groove Golf tool gives you, none of other tool will give. So this is a must-have tool in my opinion. I'm shaping each and every petal from backside. Now just rotate your flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. Now I'm layering all 4 layers. In the same way, I have colored 2 more small flowers using yellow watercolor, and I am shaping these flowers as well. These small flower will work as a filler of our arrangement. So for one filler flower I am using 2 layers. So I am joining these 2 flowers as well. Now for the center of the flower I am using pink color flower pearls. So just add little glue and sprinkle these pearls. Like this. In the same way I have created total 3 large flower and some 7 to 8 small flowers and some foliages. Now taking back my scrapbook, here I have stamped this beautiful sentiment wishing you a big slice of happiness on oval cardstock, and to decorate this oval shape I am taking this decorative die cutout. Now I will start adding foliages and flowers. Like this. Also I am adding some leaves here and there. For the leaf I have just cut the leaf shape using white paper, using 120 GSM floral oriental paper. I have colored it with green watercolor and just shaped it. So the beautiful hexagonal scrapbook is completed. Isn't it looking super pretty? And I'm sure if you gift it to anyone, he or she would be in love with it. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.